Good breath control can enhance the quality of your rap voice. It can make you look and feel professional because you can deliver lines continuously for hours thanks to your understanding of when and how to breathe. So in this video, it's going to be really short, but I'm just going to go over a really simple way to improve your breath control. If you're struggling with breath control while rapping, you've probably searched the internet for solutions. And though there are many great suggestions such as running while rapping and other exercises to increase your lung capacity, these methods can be time consuming, and if you're like me, you probably want to focus more on rapping and improving in a simple way rather than doing some crazy stuff. Luckily for you, it's actually pretty straightforward to improve breath control while rapping. Let me explain to you how simple it can be. First, you write out your verse, then you put on an instrumental and record yourself rapping that verse to identify where you're running out of oxygen. Upon examining that recording, you might find that you're running out of air at a certain bar, and upon examining that bar, you might find that it's too long and contains filler words such as and I that can be removed, and voila, you have more space to breathe. Apply this method to every bar until you have a breathing gap after each one. That way, when you need to breathe, you can simply utilize one of these spaces. It's as simple as this. You're running out of air while rapping because you need to breathe, so simply do so. Just leave space to breathe. And you can do this by removing filler words like and I. So you make sure there's a space at the end of each bar that allows you to take a quick breath in, right? And you do that for as many bars as you can, giving yourself ample opportunity to get some air in. As to how frequent you want to do this, it's up to you. I recommend once every 2 bars, because if you go too long, like you try to breathe once every 4 bars, maybe you might not have the lung capacity for that, so your breath might sound like and it might ruin the rest of the words that you just said. It might be too harsh for people hearing. You want to breathe nice and subtle, like while you're rapping, so that it doesn't really take away from the impact of the words that you're saying. So I'd say breathe once every 2 bars. That's frequent enough to where you're not gasping for air, you're not desperate to breathe, but it's also not too hard to do. It's easy to implement. Like I just said, just take out a few filler words that are not needed in the bar and you have space to breathe right there. So there you go. It's just a pretty simple protocol to follow if you struggle with breath control. It's really helped me out. It helps you just focus on rapping without doing some crazy breath exercises outside of rapping, so you can improve your skills and also keep rapping without worrying about oxygen. So hopefully that helped you. And before I go, I'd like to say a big thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you very much. Make this channel a thing. Try this thing out, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.